इष्टानो मित्रांनो, स्वागत तुमचे मडगाव SGPDA ग्राउंडार चालू असलेल्या गोवा बेळगाव एक्सपो सेकंड एडिशनान. आणि मित्रांनो, आता हांव ज्या स्टॉलार हांगा आयला तो स्टॉल म्हणजे कितें असो रेगुलर ज्यूस आणि शेक्स असो स्टॉल न्हू. दीस इज समथींग रियली डिफरंट, युनीक. म्हणजे यू हॅव दीस एक्सपिरियन्स व्हेरी रेअर, बट इट इज रियली अ एक्सपिरियन्स वर्थ ऑफ इट, रियली डिलिशियस. आणि आमी आसा ताजगी शेक्स ह्या स्टॉलाचेर. ह्या स्टॉलाचेर तुमकां रेगुलर शेक्स मेळना. तुमी पळयता हांगासर अरेबियन ताहुरा म्हणून आसा, स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्रॉस्ट, मँगो मॅजिक, चिल खरबुजा, क्रीमी सीताफळ. These are different kind of shakes. These are not what you get in the regular stuff. This is a unique experience. आणि चड जाणां जावपा खातीर तेंचो जो आमचो ओनर आसा, आमचो मित्र बाब निजाम खान, ही इज हियर. आणि निजाम, प्लीज टेल अस what is so different, what is the key feature of your stall?
So hello everyone. So these are the all original flavors that are from UAE, and the most famous is the tahura. If you can see it over here, it is made up of all natural ingredients like pistachio, dates, dry fruits, and we do not add anything extra on it. Everything is prepared naturally. This is the original flavors that we have brought this from Pune. There is a legacy of our cousins who run this business from past 20 to 25 years. So these are all the products which we import from Pune, and we have brought this first time to Goa. So I request everyone to come to our stall, give it a try, and just I can say आइए और लुफ्त उठाइए.
Hello, this is Shifana and I'm from Vasco. This Taazgi, I have brought it from Pune over here since it was not available in Goa. And from yesterday, I have received a lot of reviews on it saying the taste खूप बरे asa. Mostly all people are coming twice and thrice and tasting it. This flavor is something different. I would like every of my friends who are in Goa to come and taste it. And it is just awesome. You will not regret it. So please do come and visit us in Margao.